Happy New Year, dear friends. Welcome to Crafty Healing Art. This is Zanira. So for the first video of this year, I wanted to do something that I hadn't done before. And so there's my blow dryer. I'm going to be doing a Dutch pour with this blow dryer. Now, I wasn't going to post this because this didn't turn out great at all. But I said, let me post it anyway. Maybe I can go back and look at it and see what mistakes I made, or somebody can guide me. Anyhow, the white that I'm going to put down was the Artist Loft white. This is Purple Flash. I'm using my ColorShift Paints again. So this is Purple Flash. And here is Pink Flash. And the next color is Aqua Flash. And then we have the Green Flash. And for the final one, this is a combination of Folk Arts Pure Gold and Deco Arts Satin Enamels Champagne Americana Decor. There's no reason for why I mixed the two up. I just did. I just sometimes come across two paints and mix them up. So that's what I did there. And this is titanium white. So yeah, so you're going to see me try to do a Dutch pour using the blow dryer for the first time. And, let's see how it turns out. I'm using a 14 by 14 canvas, and I'm going to go try and do it diagonally. I mean, it's my first time. I should do something simple, but no, I have to go diagonal. Don't know why. Anyhow, that's what I decided to do here. So, yeah, so I hope you guys are having a great new year. Hope it's going to be better. And I haven't painted in a while because I haven't been feeling well. But which is partly why I am posting this, is because I did finally paint, and I did want to feel as if I did something. I don't know. Anyhow, yeah, haven't been feeling great, and so I haven't been able to paint. Been watching out loads and loads of videos and just itching to paint, but just haven't been able to. Yeah, so here we go. I'm going to pour it diagonally. And I'm going to let you guys watch and see what I do. And then catch up with you guys on the other side when we look at the results. Okay, so I'm gonna leave it at that. I really like the middle and the right side. I'm not liking the left side, even though I did it twice, but it's still just too muddied up for me. If you can, if you think of anything that you can help me to make it better, I would really appreciate it. Leave a comment below. I will welcome any help I can get with this. If you haven't subscribed yet, please, I hope you consider doing so. It helps my channel grow and encourages me. It's absolutely free, and I'd appreciate it very much. I'm going to show you the dry results. I'm actually pretty surprised. I really liked it. I actually am surprised. I put it up on my wall and I really like the results here. Let me know what you think. Hope you guys are doing good and taking care of yourselves and keeping safe. May you guys always be blessed, and until next time, take care.